How long does it take to summarize over 1 billion records in a business dashboard? It might take less time than you expect. With Bold BI, large datasets can be seamlessly transformed into a clear, actionable dashboard in under a minute, giving users a fast and easy view of important insights. For example, using a 5-node cluster, running Windows, and Syncfusion's big data platform, processing 1.1 billion rows of data from 6.5 years of records from the New York City Taxi and Limousine Commission was accomplished in less than 30 seconds. Easily drag and drop widgets to assign data using the Assign Data panel. You can apply aggregate functions to the designated columns and assign them to the widget. A total of 1.1 billion records have been effortlessly transformed and visualized. This enterprise solution doesn't just save time, it also saves money. You can avail Syncfusion Big Data Platform, and Bold BI Cloud Edition costs around $3,990 per month, absolutely free for 6-month subscription. By implementing these best practices, you can efficiently manage and visualize large-scale data sets in Bold BI. Thanks for watching.